Hello and welcome back to Hidden Source News, where we bring you all the reviews of new movies being released at a theater near you. As always, please hit that subscribe button to help us grow our community and keep bringing you more videos. It's official. After almost a decade, Zootopia is back. Zootopia 2, directed by Jared Bush and Byron Howard, returns audiences to the bustling mammal city with an earnest, high-energy sequel that expands the world in vivid new directions. The film is set to hit US theaters on November 26, 2025, and early reactions suggest it's much more than a nostalgic cash-in. The story picks up with Judy Hopps, voiced again by Ginnifer Goodwin, and Nick Wilde, Jason Bateman, now officially partners in the Zootopia Police Department. We their new dynamic as partners in law enforcement and how it has evolved since we last saw them and the pressures that brings to their partnership. But peace is short-lived. A mysterious new reptilian figure, Gary the Snake, voiced by Ke Huy Quan, slithers into town and disrupts the delicate balance of life in the metropolis, who begins to affect the town in a big and disruptive way, with a new mystery rising behind the appearance of the snake in Zootopia. Their assignment becomes a make-or-break undercover mission, forcing them to traverse unfamiliar districts of Zootopia, from marshes to deserts, to crack the case. It will bring more depth into their relationship as it gets tested in new ways. One of the most intriguing dimensions of the sequel is how it leans into being a buddy cop story, but with a twist. Judy and Nick find themselves in pair therapy, which creates many of the funny moments in the film. It's like a cartoon version of Murtaugh and Riggs, but an animated PG version. Led by a whimsical quokka therapist, Dr. Fuzzby, voiced by Quinta Brunson, as they try to reconcile their very different communication styles. As they go deep undercover to solve the mystery behind all these strange occurrences. This playful framing underlines how Zootopia 2 isn't just about solving a crime. It's also about trust, emotional growth, and teamwork. Returning characters bring familiar warmth, but new voices deepen the narrative. Alongside Goodwin, Bateman, and Ke Huy Quan, the sequel reintroduces Idris Elba as Chief Bogo, Shakira as Gazelle, with new music, and also features Fortune Feimster. The production's music is handled by Michael Giacchino, promising a rich, expressive score that underlines both the comedic and emotional arcs. Thematically, Zootopia 2 doesn't shy away from weightier material. Early reviewers highlight its timely social commentary, describing the narrative as thematically rich and capable of addressing issues like institutional trust, diversity, and unity through its animal world metaphor. But unlike some films that go heavy-handed, I note that Zootopia 2 balances its message with humor, emotional stakes, and action, making it accessible and meaningful without ever feeling preachy. Visually and tonally, I give it high marks. I found the animation stunning, noting how the cinematography evolves to show more of Zootopia's previously unseen corners. Several critics praise how Zootopia 2 preserves the spirit of the first film, the clever banter, the buddy chemistry, the puns, but elevates it by going bigger, darker, and more emotionally complex. I agree with this assessment. However, not all early responses are unmitigated praise. Some audience members are cautious about how heavily the film leans into social commentary. I don't agree with that assessment. Just like the first movie, which leaned heavily on social issues, this movie is the same, and I did not find it distracting from my enjoyment of the movie. The introduction of Gary the Snake is a welcome addition to this movie. On Reddit, a few longtime Zootopia fans question whether the tone might lean too lecture-like, though others defend it, saying the commentary feels organic to the story rather than tacked on. Still, many early viewers from private and press screenings report real warmth and satisfaction, noting that the emotional beats feel earned and that Judy and Nick's partnership is more mature and nuanced than ever. Of this I agree, and found enjoyable. In short, Zootopia 2 appears poised to deliver a thoughtful, entertaining, and visually ambitious sequel. It mixes mystery, humor, and heart in a way that honors the original while charting its own course. For longtime fans and new audiences alike, this sequel seems ready to be more than just a revisit. It might be a meaningful evolution. I really enjoyed this movie and give it an 8.5 out of 10. Please leave a comment letting me know if you loved or disliked the movie. I really would like to know. As always, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to keep up with future reviews. Thank you, and have a happy Thanksgiving holiday.